Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Patty's Southern Kitchen. I am Patty. How's everybody doing today? Welcome in. I brought you guys in to show you my chicken drumsticks that I am about to bake. And I have seasoned them really well with my seasonings that I like to use. Of course, you can use the seasonings of your choice and your taste. I've used some of the things I've used are the garlic powder, garlic pepper, onion pepper, minced onions, some Dash products, some salt free products, some other seasonings. And I've cut up herbs and vegetables. I've cut up parsley. I've cut up the Trinity. And the Trinity consists of bell pepper, green onion, and celery. I have a few yellow, well, orange and red sweet peppers that I've cut up. And here it is. And the broth that I used is the base broth seasoning for chicken. Here it is. And this is what you see in the pan. It is yellow, and I used the bouillon cube. And I'm about to put it in the oven on 350 and probably for an hour. But when I'm done, I'll tell you the time that it took to bake this chicken. I like for it to be golden brown. We will come back and show you the end results. Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Hi, this is Patty, and I'm back to show you the finished product of the baked chicken. And look at all of that seasoning, all of those herbs and vegetables, and it is delicious. I love the flavor. It is full of flavor and full of good seasonings. Thank you for joining this live. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please share, subscribe, follow, like, and tell your friends. I thank you so much. Goodbye.